How to use face filters in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp and either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. Once the photo is selected, it will automatically load into the editing screen. Here you will see a variety of filters and effects at the bottom of the screen. These include smile, age, gender, makeup, hair colors, and more. Simply tap on any category and you will find several variations under each filter. For example, under smile, you can add classic or wide tone. Once you tap on the filter, it will apply instantly and show you a preview of the changes. You can switch between filters as many times as you want to find the best look. Some filters may be locked under the Pro version, but there are still plenty of free options available that you can try without subscription. After applying the filter, if you like the result, tap on the save icon in the top right corner to save the edited photo directly to your gallery. Now you know how to use face filters in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.